I think basically there's too much self-interest on both sides to let a deal slip by. They both need a deal. Chinese for macroeconomic reasons, despite what you've just reported in terms of a better performance by Chinese stocks in the last couple of months. It's been a pretty average year for the Chinese economy in 2018. Soft growth, soft employment, and frankly, a private sector investment strike. So they need to put a shot in the arm of Chinese growth. Similarly, here in the United States, you've just been referring to what the Fed's doing with rates and the pressure on the Fed to do something more. If the president wants the economy to power its way through 2019 and into an election year, putting this trade war behind him is, frankly, a necessary precondition for that happening.
The devil's going to be in the details, though, right? I mean, this has to go far beyond simply raising the amount of product you purchase from the United States, and that's where it could get a little dicey on the forced transfer of technology and some of the other real hard sticking points that exist.
Well, you're absolutely right, Scott. I think there are three big ones at the moment that are sticking. One is the American position, which is that, okay, China, let's just say we get this deal. Just to keep you guys honest, we want to keep a level of tariffs on in terms of those we've imposed in the last 12 months.
Which they've suggested they would.
For a period of time. That's problematic. Two, the biggest problematic one, though, is the Americans asking the Chinese to say, okay, if in the future we Americans say you Chinese are cheating on X, Y, and Z, A, B, and C, we want you to commit not to impose retaliatory tariffs against us once we put more tariffs on you. Now, that is just what I would describe as an impossibility for the Chinese side to accept. Domestic politics will be seen as an unequal treaty, which China has had a fair bit of experience of in history. The third one's on the enforcement mechanism, which is who's going to enforce on technology transfer, IP, state subsidies for China's technology industries.